If you pay close attention to what the most experienced mechanics are driving to work these days, you'll notice something strange. They're not showing up in brand new 2024 Silverados. They're not financing the latest F-150s loaded with screens, sensors, and subscriptions. Instead, they're quietly hunting down a very specific generation of pickup trucks from the 1990s. And once you understand why, you may never look at a modern truck the same way again. Because according to many mechanics, modern trucks are no longer designed around the owner. They're designed around complexity, software-controlled features, over-the-air updates, electronic modules that can disable functions, and in some cases, subscriptions for features that used to come standard. The truck sitting in your driveway today may be more connected than ever, but many believe it gives owners less control than ever before. The mechanics saw this trend years ago. Instead of fighting it, they started building an exit strategy. Today, we're opening the vault and revealing what many enthusiasts call the forever list. 3 legendary analog trucks from the 1990s that continue to earn respect for one simple reason. They were built to work, not to collect subscriptions, not to push software updates, and not to depend on endless electronic systems, just to stay on the road. If you're thinking about buying a truck that could still be running decades from now, pay very close attention, because the best ones are disappearing fast. Number 1 on the forever list, the legendary 9th generation Ford F-150, known to enthusiasts as the OBS Ford, old body style. This truck was built from 1992 to 1996 and remains one of the most respected pickups ever produced. When you buy many modern trucks, you're often buying a rolling network of sensors wrapped in aluminum panels. The OBS Ford came from a different era. A physical throttle cable, real mechanical controls, no giant touchscreen deciding whether your heater works. Just simple hardware designed to do a job. But the real reason mechanics love this truck isn't what you can see. It's what sits under the hood. The legendary 4.9-liter 300 inline-6. This engine has earned a reputation for durability that borders on legendary. Cast iron block, cast iron cylinder head, built with simplicity in mind. While many modern engines rely on increasingly complex systems and components, the Ford 300 became famous for its straightforward design and long service life. If a water pump fails, many owners can replace it with basic tools in their driveway. No dealership appointment, no software pairing, no expensive scan tools required. Just mechanical parts, doing mechanical work, keep rust under control, change the oil consistently, and many owners believe this truck can outlast multiple generations of vehicles. Number 2 on the forever list, the truck that helped build Toyota's reputation for reliability worldwide. The late 1980s to mid-1990s, Toyota pickup, especially the models powered by the legendary 22RE four-cylinder engine. Before the Tacoma name arrived in 1995, it was simply known as the Toyota pickup. And today, clean examples have become some of the most sought-after compact trucks on the market. Why? Because simplicity never goes out of style. The 22RE earned its reputation through decades of dependable service, simple fuel injection, straightforward engineering, minimal complexity. These trucks developed a reputation for surviving harsh environments and demanding conditions that would challenge far more expensive vehicles. No giant infotainment system, no endless menu screens, no electronic four-wheel drive selector hidden behind software. Just a steel lever connected to a transfer case. Simple, direct, reliable. Owners often say the biggest enemy of these trucks isn't mechanical failure, it's rust, which is exactly why clean frame examples have become increasingly valuable. Find one with a solid frame and good maintenance history, and you've found something special. Part 3. Number 3 on the forever list, the heavyweight champion, the truck many towing enthusiasts and diesel fans still dream about owning. The 1994 to 1998 Dodge Ram 2500 and 3500, equipped with the legendary 5.9-liter 12-valve Cummins diesel. Modern heavy-duty trucks can easily push well into six-figure territory. When fully equipped, they're packed with advanced emission systems, electronic controls, and increasingly complicated components. The 12-valve Cummins represents a completely different philosophy, one built around mechanical simplicity. The engine became famous because of its robust design and reputation for longevity. At the center of it all sits the legendary Bosch P7100 injection pump, a component that has become almost mythical among diesel enthusiasts. For many owners, the appeal is simple: less complexity, less electronics, more control. It's one of the reasons these trucks continue to command strong prices decades after leaving the factory. Yes, dealerships may laugh when someone spends $15,000 to $20,000 on a 30-year-old truck with manual windows and no backup camera. But many owners see the equation differently. They aren't buying technology, they're buying independence. Compare that with financing an $80,000 truck, monthly payments, higher insurance costs, expensive repairs, and increasing dependence on proprietary electronic systems. For many enthusiasts, an older truck represents something modern vehicles struggle to offer: true ownership. When something breaks, you fix it. When maintenance is needed, you perform it. The vehicle works for you, not the other way around. And that's why these trucks continue to attract loyal followers year after year. This isn't just nostalgia. For many owners, it's a financial decision, a practical decision, and in some cases, a form of self-defense against rising ownership costs. The era of simple trucks may be fading, but the trucks on the forever list are still out there. For now, and every year, finding a clean example becomes a little harder. So hey, raise the question: do you already own one of these legendary analog trucks? If you do, what's currently showing on that odometer? Drop it in the comments. And if you have a reliable old truck sitting in your garage, think twice before trading it in, because the trucks that mechanics trust most are becoming harder to replace with every passing year.